Hi guys, welcome to my page. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick lookbook of like a few pieces that I've been sporting lately, actually quite a bit. So yeah, so if you're interested then stay tuned. Alright, so the first look that I'm going to show you guys is a more casual look. Alright, so this is a jumper I got from Zara. It is super cute and it says never ending. It's kind of cropped, but not really. But I'm tall, so I think it's normal length for people that are not ferociously tall. This was only 15 pounds, I'm not sure. I will put it down in the description box. For this outfit, I did pair it with a skirt. Now, this is a skirt from Golovkova. If you don't know Golovkova, she is a lifestyle fashion influencer and she's one of my closest friends. Absolutely love her, and guess what? Her skirts are just as amazing as she is. So comfortable, has a stretch to it. It's like a pencil style, but you can move around in it. It doesn't restrict you at all. She can custom make skirts. So if you're tall like me, I'm 5'11", I have a very hard time finding skirts that are my length. I bought a few skirts from ASOS and literally you could see the curvature of my butt. Like, it's not a cute look.
Why did you fall behind? All it ever took was time. Why did you fall behind? Why did you?
Okay, so for the second outfit, this is probably my favorite outfit. It is super like warm, spring meets summer, the sun is shining. This outfit is an outfit that I definitely pull out, that I got from Zara. And I think this was only like 25 pounds. It's super cute. It's a crop top, right? A really cool way to wear a crop top is if you get a maxi dress, or if you have like a lot, like even if it's like a tank maxi dress that you've purchased online and you have no way of like wearing it, you can throw a long sleeve crop top on top of the maxi dress and it looks like a skirt and top, and it just looks so beautiful and so flowy. Anytime I'm going to like a barbecue or somewhere warm, it's gonna be outside, a dress with a crop top, long sleeve, perfect combination, super flattering for the girl who's more curvy like myself. And it has these two really long pieces, like really long. It's like really. And you wrap it around your waist twice and make a bow, or you can wrap it around to the back and make like a bow on the back. So yeah, it's so pretty, and the color is so spring and it's warm and it just complements warm undertones. It's really pretty. Zara, yeah. I thought the navy and the orange looks really good together. It's a perfect like breezy day outside outfit. Now if you're going out and you're wearing this outfit, you can definitely turn this outfit into a nighttime outfit. I got this from Riva, I think, when I was in Bahrain. I love this bag so much. If you're wearing this outfit during the day and you want to transform it into like a nighttime outfit, this bag will go day and night. This whole outfit right here, I think is super cute. I love it. You can pair this with a light heel, or you can pair it with like a nice sandal, a flat sandal, or a closed toe sandal, or just flats. It's just a really comfortable, flattering, very pretty, comfortable look. I got this top from Zara. It's super long, covers my butt. These are the types of tops that I feel so comfortable in for like a day that I'm just literally running errands all day long, or I'm doing some shopping and I'm gonna be moving about and constantly on my feet. These tops are so comfortable, and the fact that it's longer on the back, it covers my butt. So I don't mind wearing these longer tops with like skinny jeans and things like that. I love the idea of pairing denim on denim, or like a blue on a blue, or like just wearing like a Canadian tuxedo, which is like a denim jacket with denim pants and a denim shirt, everything denim. The denim is slightly cropped and the shirt is very long. It hit on the waist, which flatters someone that's a lot more curvy. Wowzers! Get a pair of tinted glasses that will look so cute with this outfit. It's just everything will be blue, and a perfect way to break everything up is to take a nice pop of color. This is a new scarf from the Chinutay Co collection. I have just launched the scarf color. This scarf color is called HARAR, and it's actually the village that my family is from. And it very much reminds me of just the culture and the food we eat and everything like that, and the ground, the sand. This scarf is now available on Chinutay Co. I will link it down in the description box. I absolutely love this scarf. It's so beautiful. And if you haven't tried Chinutay Co scarves yet, I will link a discount code down in the description box. You need to get yourself at least one, even if you wear it as an accessory. And it's a perfect way to just amp up your outfit. You do not have to be a hijabi to purchase Chinutay Co. And I'm actually wearing one as a turban right now. This is the black that I've also launched. New. Go check it out down in the description box. I'm so proud of my baby Chinutay Co. It's my own little shop. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Yeah, so this color I think would be perfect. It just breaks up the denim and the blue, you know what I mean? It just looks super cute. In the lookbook, I paired it with a nice vampy purple gloss, which is super pretty. This is the new Lancome Absolute Gloss that just came out. As for shoes, I paired it with a really cute and comfortable sock boot, which just is so sleek and just pulls any outfit together really. Like if you don't have a pair of like sock boots, you need to. It's not too late. You need to have a pair of sock boots. Last but definitely not least, I've been getting so many inquiries on this trench jacket. Now, I think I might do a separate video on closet staples. If you don't have one, you absolutely need a trench coat in your wardrobe. Classy, it's comfortable, it goes with so many different things. You could literally wear a trench coat with a hoodie, or you could literally wear it with a really fancy outfit. It just pulls everything together. And I got this trench coat. It's an oversized trench coat. It kind of looks like the trench coat that your grandpa has. It's super comfy. From ASOS. I get so many questions, and what really irritates me is that when I bought it a week later, it went on sale, and I was just like, ugh! So I don't even know if they have it on sale, but you can literally get a really solid, good quality trench coat from like a vintage store or from a thrift store. Trench coats are like a a classic piece that really has never gone out of style. So whether it's new or old, used, whatever, a trench coat, you need one. You really need one. And I'm gonna show you a real cool way to wear an oversized trench coat. Now this would only work if your trench coat is oversized. What I do is I kind of drip it off my shoulders, and I button one button up with the little buttonhole, and the trick is to go one button down with one buttonhole up so it's not symmetrical. Alright, so you have a little bit of movement. Then I took this really cute belt bag I got from Zara. Well, it goes with so many different things. It's really small though, so for the girl who carries a million things in her bag, definitely not the bag for you. But I'm using this as a belt, so I'm going to twist it closer to the side that you feel more comfortable. You look super stylish, it's super cute, and it just literally, you just look like you're really on trend. That's how I wear my trench coats when I'm not wearing it like a normal person. With the trench coat, I have this super cute pop of color. This is a beautiful top I got from Zara. It's weird, it's like a matte texture. You know what I mean? Anyways, it's high neck, which is why I love it. It's kind of cropped, and then it comes with these two really long pieces that you could tie around your waist. literally, like Zara is like taking it up another notch. Look how long that is. Kind of go outside your comfort zone and go for colors that are more bold, add a nice pop to your outfit. When I put this with the trench coat together, the trench coat's very neutral and this is very loud. I feel like the contrast is just really cool. Do you know what I mean? But confidence is key. You can't wear anything unless you're confident in it, all right? I also paired this outfit with a Chinutay Co scarf. This is from the new collection as well. How beautiful is this color? So it's like a dove grayish color. I will also link this down in the description box with the discount code, but it's part of the new collection and it's super cute. I did a messy hijab bun just so it looks like, you know, you didn't really try. If you want a tutorial on how to achieve the messy hijab bun look, comment down below. Such a weird thing to, but yeah, I could do that. And I also paired it with the Golovkova skirt. Now this is the pencil skirt in the black. Again, the material is just like, there's a lot of cat hair on it. Sorry, I literally wore it like 4 days in a row. But the material is like dense enough to not show anything, but stretchy enough to like go around your hips and allow you to be mobile. Do you know what I mean? And still maintain that like pencil like fit. And on my lips, I'm wearing the new Dior Addict Laquer Plump Lip Gloss. This is in the color 648. This is a beautiful corally color. It's a nice bright pop on your lips. It's just so pretty. So yeah, I thought it would look really good with the top, matching my makeup with my top. It's just how I do things, guys. It's just how I do things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join the family and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more videos like this. I have a new announcement. I think I've mentioned it in a few other videos, but I'm gonna mention it. I will be uploading 2 videos a week instead of 3. I'm doing this because I feel like I'm having to compromise with the quality of my videos because uploading 3 times a week is just too much for me, and I don't want to do that. I want to come up with like really dope content for you guys. So trust me, you're gonna want to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Yeah, so it's gonna be 2 videos a week every Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, mwah, bye!
Do the Charlie Day.
That's how it is. Sasha's skirt.
Okay, but it's not for kicking, is it? Good?
Yeah, that was cute.